What if I told you there's a country that's been standing strong for over 1,700 years, a land that defied invasions, survived wars, and remained unyielded even as empires around it crumbled? And what if I told you this country is so small, you could drive across it in less than an hour?
Are you crazy?
Welcome to San Marino, the fifth smallest country in the world after Tuvalu, a nation that has preserved its freedom for centuries and holds stories that will captivate your soul. What makes this tiny nation so resilient, and what secrets does it hold within its ancient walls? San Marino is a landlocked country, entirely surrounded by Italy, and it is situated on the northeastern side of the Apennine Mountains. With a mere 61 square kilometers of territory, San Marino shares its borders with the Italian regions of Emilia-Romagna and Marche. Its capital, also named San Marino, sits atop Mount Titano and offers breathtaking views that stretch all the way to the Adriatic Sea. Despite its small size, the country's three iconic towers, Guaita, Sesta, and Monteil, symbolize its strength and endurance. San Marino, nestled on the slopes of Mount Titano, claims the title of the world's oldest surviving republic. Its journey began on September 3, 301 AD, when a stonemason named Marinus fled persecution and founded a small, independent Christian community. Through the centuries, San Marino faced its share of challenges, invasions, the rise and fall of surrounding powers, and even the turbulence of 2 world wars. Yet, it never faltered. San Marino chose neutrality during the Napoleonic Wars and later became a refuge for over 100,000 people during World War II. It wasn't just luck or geography that kept San Marino independent, it was the spirit of its people, fiercely protective of their freedom and democratic ideals. Today, San Marino still stands as a proud microstate, its independence intact, a testament to its unyielding resilience. The culture of San Marino is a unique blend of Italian influences and age-old traditions that the Samarinese fiercely guard. From the colorful Crossbow Festival, where locals dress in medieval costumes and compete in ancient games, to the Feast of San Marino, where parades and fireworks light up the night sky, every celebration is a reminder of their rich heritage. The people of San Marino cherish their roots, and their pride is evident in the preservation of their historic sites, music, and art. The city's cobblestone streets whisper stories of a time when chivalry and honor were the orders of the day. Visitors can witness traditional crafts such as ceramics and lace making, passed down through generations, reflecting the country's timeless spirit. San Marino's political system is a fascinating blend of ancient and modern practices. The country has been governed by a pair of captains regent, elected every 6 months since 1243, a tradition that has continued unbroken for nearly 800 years. This system ensures that power is constantly balanced and shared, reflecting the Samarinese dedication to democracy. The first official head of state after its recognition as an independent republic was Antonio Onofre, who played a significant role in maintaining its independence in the 19th century. Today, San Marino's closest ally remains Italy, which has supported its sovereignty for centuries, forming a bond that is both deep and steadfast. From the time of its independence to now, San Marino has understood that knowledge is power. The country prides itself on its high literacy rate, over 99%. Education has always been a priority, with its first modern schools appearing in the 19th century. Today, San Marino offers free and compulsory education, and its small but effective University of the Republic of San Marino draws students from all around, reinforcing the nation's commitment to learning and progress. Despite its size, San Marino proves that education is the cornerstone of any society that seeks to remain free and forward-thinking. San Marino's economy has evolved significantly since its early days. What began with a simple, agrarian-based economy has now diversified into a robust mix of finance, industry, tourism, and services. The banking sector and postage stamps once drove significant revenue for this tiny nation, but today, San Marino is also known for its thriving manufacturing sector, particularly in ceramics, textiles, and furniture. With one of the lowest unemployment rates in Europe, the country showcases its economic resilience, continuously adapting to global changes while maintaining stability. Despite its small size, San Marino attracts over 2 million visitors annually, drawn by its medieval charm, breathtaking landscapes, and the promise of stepping back in time. From the towering fortresses that offer panoramic views of the countryside to the narrow, winding streets filled with boutique shops and museums, every corner of San Marino tells a story. Tourists are enchanted by the serene ambience, the historical architecture, and the warmth of its people. Whether exploring the fortress peaks or enjoying a quiet meal with a view of the mountains, every experience leaves visitors with a sense of wonder. San Marino may be one of the smallest countries in the world, but its history, culture, and spirit are larger than life. It stands as a testament to what a nation can achieve when it holds steadfast to its values and fiercely guards its freedom. As we continue to explore the stories of every country on Earth, we invite you to join us on this journey of discovery. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment if you have questions or thoughts. Your curiosity helps us uncover more of the world's hidden wonders. And if you don't have a question, share with us, which tiny country would you love to see next? Let's explore the world together, one story at a time.